Were you able to search the rooms, the car?
Hindi namin sir in-inspection sir yung sasakyan sir saka yung kanilang tinitirhan sir.
Ilan pictures ang pinakita nyo? Yung apat lang? Nung dinala nyo na sila sa istasyon, yung apat lang po ba ang pinahilera natin doon?
Inaresto ninyo yung apat na suspects. Warrantless arrest, no? Ano yung mga grounds para arestuin mo yung tao o yung individual or suspect without warrant?
Meron lang kasi akong isang lingering in my mind no? As a matter of fact, ito yung pag binabasa ko yung mga report that was submitted sa akin, yung element of the hot pursuit, no? We all know that ang elemento ng hot pursuit ay kailangan the crime or offense is being committed, had been committed, or about to be committed, no? And of course, yung tinatawag na second element noon, yung parang personal knowledge nung ano. Sergeant Perdan, no, from the moment that you were able to know that yung apat nasa Mikasa na, at dumiretso kayo sa Mikasa ni Captain, you don't have yet the personal knowledge that they were the one who committed the offense, correct?
Wala pa po.
Yon. So, nung pagdating mo sa Mikasa, as a matter of fact, ay parang ina-identify mo pa lamang sila.
Yes, sir.
What's the procedure in accordance with the rules of the police with regards sa ganyang mga sitwasyon?
Bali po nung mga around 8 o'clock ng maga po ng February 1, hindi po ako kasama sa pumunta sa Mikasa Resort. Ang magkasama lang po doon ay itong team na kasama ni Hepe dahil ako po ay naiwan sa police station at ako po ay inihanda ko po yung mga affidavit na pwede kong gamitin sa pagpasa ng aming investigation report.
Kung wala pa kayong affidavit during that time that you went to the Mikasa, so what is the basis for them to be...
Person of interest sir.
Yes.
Sir, the basis of na ginawa namin silang person of interest because of the information given from Mamulanay Station.
So in other words,
Sergeant
Captain, that's not a hot pursuit.
Yes,
Kasi
sir.
it's not a hot pursuit in another sense, in a sense of it, di ba?
Base doon sa investigation ninyo, sinasabi ba ng witness na walang cover o may cover ang mukha ng suspects?
According to witnesses sir, bago nila pinatigil po nila yung sasakyan, wala pong wala pong takip sa mukha sir.
Then, nung nagsunog na,
Nung umakit na sir, kasi may dalawang umakit sir, may umakit po sa sasakyan sir, naglagay na po sir ng takip sa mukha sir.
now, Chief of Police, Captain De La Cruz, inaresto ninyo yung apat na suspects. Warrantless arrest, no?
Yes sir.
Walang warrant, di ba?
Yes sir, yes, sir.
Hindi, pakibanggit mo, ano yung mga grounds para arestuin mo yung tao o yung individual or suspect without warrant?
Pag ang isang tao sir ay wanted sir, tapos in his may presence nakakommit siya ng crime, and then may personal knowledge ako sir na kumumit siya sir ng crime.
Sa pagkaintindi ko po, di ko alam kung sasang-ayon yung Honorable Chairman and other members of this committee, nakikita ko po, base po do sa meaning ng hot pursuit and warrantless arrest, ay illegal po ang pagka-aresto nitong ating mga kapatid na personnel ng Katanawan Police Station.
I am just alarmed of what's happening today, na medyo yung administration of justice ay nagiging shortcut na. Alam naman natin mga kapulisan, what is the meaning of the hot pursuit, what is the meaning of warrantless arrest, and so on and so forth. Because if this will be the basis in the near future by the Supreme Court, there's a chilling effect as far as the administration of justice is being implemented, because anybody can just be arrested without a warrant. Give me a reason why you arrested the suspect without securing a warrant of arrest. Do you consider that, oh sige, one at a time, sige po. The Chief of Police, Mr. Chair, the Chief of Police,
Yes,
give me one good reason.
Captain De La Cruz, you may reply.
Because of probable cause, sir. Number one, sir.
Sino nag-ano ng probable cause? Ikaw mag-determine?
Sir, during the time, sir, na nagkaroon kami, sir, nung nag-responde kami, sir, doon sa sunog, sir, then nakausap namin, sir, yung mga witnesses, and then nagkaroon, sir, ng nalaman namin doon, sir, na nagkaroon ng crime ng arson. Then nagkaroon po, sir, ng had just been committed, kumbaga, sir, nangyari na yung arson. And then pangalawa, nung nagpakita po kami ng picture sa cellphone, and then second, pinalaki po ni Pordan yung picture, pinakita din sa mga witnesses. And then pangatlo, sir, doon na sinakay namin sa sasakyan yung mga witnesses natin. And then doon, sir, lumabas, sir, yung probable cause, sir.
Sige. We are not here to judge whether it's probable cause. It's only the anyway. What I'm alarmed is because you can just invite persons to visit your station or inviting them for a conference for that, and then after that arestuhin mo. Di ba? Do you think that's proper? Iimbitahin mo, tapos pagdating doon, after a lapse of time, aarestuhin mo. Halimbawa, sa yung mangyari niyan, pamilya mo.
Sino po nag-inform sa inyo doon sa Mikasa na tong apat na to are the people that are probable na mga arsonista? O, mayroon ba silang sinabing gano'n? Were you able to search the rooms, the cars, or para makita natin na may link doon sa inyong identification sa kanila?
Bale, sir, ang ano lang po namin doon, sir, nung in-inform kami, sir, ni Sergeant Aying, sir, and then doon na kami, sir, nagdire-diretso, sir, since na kami, sir, ay
Captain, meron ba, na-search nyo pa yung kanilang mga sasakyan? Na-search yung mga kwarto?
hindi namin, sir, in-inspection, sir, yung sasakyan, sir, saka yung kanilang tinitiran, sir.
But you are under the hot pursuit, di ba? Hot
Yes, sir.
pursuit situation.
Yes, sir. Bale, ang nangyari doon, sir,
Kung meron tayong parang warrantless yung arrest natin,
yes, sir.
di ba, it goes to follow that search of the premises must be considered as well. Considering that this is a hot pursuit situation. Yung time na yun, na pumunta kayo doon kasi hindi nyo pa rin kasi alam na sila talaga. Nag-base lang kayo sa sinabi na may apat na dumating doon. Yun yung kaninang tinanong ko sa iyo, di ba? At sinabi mo na, yes, oo. At hindi naman sinabi ba ni Sergeant Iyang ba yan?
Aying, sir.
Aying. Sinabi ba niya na meron ba siyang personal knowledge na yun talaga ang sumunog, yung apat?
Wala naman, sir.
Wala, okay. So in other words, talaga in-invite nyo lang muna. Tapos, after the invitation, you have taken their pictures, parang ganun.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Bali po, ang nangyari po nun, sir, nagkape po kami, sir, and then
But you haven't secured the affidavit yet during that time, no? Why not just bring the witnesses in the Mikasa in the first place, in the first time that you went there?
Mr. Chair, malalayo po kasi, sir, yung mga witnesses, sir, since na umuwi, sir, sila. Na kompleto namin, sir, sila isa hapon na po, sir.
Okay. So doon nyo sila na kumpleto doon sa station.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Kaya
sir.
doon nyo dinala yung picture, pinakita sa kanila.
Yes, sir, yun po, sir.
Okay. So the pictures that you have presented, you have presented to the witnesses. Is it the standard procedure of the PNP to present pictures? Ano pinesent nyo? Yung picture na yun? O marami kayong mga pictures na pinresent?
Bale, sir, nag-present kami, sir, ng pictures doon nanggaling, sir, sa cellphone, and then
What I mean is marami kayong mga alleged suspect na pinresent. Kasi alam mo, nanonood ako ng forensic files eh. Di ka pa ba may mga
Oo, sir.
represent ka na maraming mga suspect, para at
Oo,
least
sir.
to test the credibility of the witnesses eh. Sometimes you have to test the credibility of the witnesses kung talagang ma-identify nila eh. Meron kayo papasok dyan, ilalagay mo yung mga hindi talaga suspect para makita mo kung talaga nagsasabi ang mga witnesses natin. So, did you do that na marami kayong presentation ng pictures?
Ang nangyari, sir, pag-present namin ng picture, sir, is in our decision, sir, kumbaga, sir, nakuha nila yung aming attention dahil tinuro talaga, sir, and then nung mga witnesses yun. Kaya hindi na kami, sir, pumunta pa doon sa dumako na kumuha pa, sir, ng ibang picture, sir.